So today's video is going to be my May favorites. I'm going to be talking about the products that I've been loving in the month of May and products that I can't live without in the month of May. So yeah, products that I've been using daily, products that I can't stop using in the month of May. So yeah, let's start with Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47. So it's a sunscreen, guys, and it's really amazing because it makes your face really dewy and glowy. It has a white tint to it. It has natural SPF and antioxidants. It protects your skin from the sun damage. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free, GMO-free. It's perfect, guys. It's quick absorbing. It treats dullness. It treats dryness and uneven skin tone. So it's really quick absorbing, guys. You're gonna love it, really. It has a white tint to it. It's great for sensitive skin. If you need to go out in the sun, you're probably gonna need this. It's amazing, guys. Me myself, I've been using this for a while, and it's the best daily moisturizer with SPF. So it's perfect, you know. I have no complaints at all. 1 to 2 pumps. It's gonna cover your entire face. It's amazing. It's really hydrating and glowy. It also has argan oil in it, which is amazing, you know. It's so good for your skin. Makes your face really dewy and glowy. This bottle is huge and you get a ton of product. So I really love this, you know. I mean, personally for me, I've been obsessed with Josie Maran skincare products. Yeah, I've been using this, you know, for quite a while, and they're amazing, guys. They're amazing, really. It does have a white tint to it, but it doesn't really bother me, you know. So this is amazing, guys. I love this. Hands down, my holy grail. Daily moisturizer with SPF. Amazing. Moving on, I'm going to be talking about my favorite Becca primer. First Light Priming Filter. It's amazing, guys. It's purple and it has a lemongrassy smell, which I love. It smooths out your skin. It evens out your skin tone. It's very hydrating. It makes your face really dewy and glowy. I'm so in love with this. It plumps up your skin. It's cruelty-free. It boosts your glow. It's amazing. It makes your face really glowy and beautiful without overdoing it, if you know what I'm saying. It gives your face a soft glow. It's great for normal to dry skin. I mean, I wouldn't really recommend it for oily skin. It blurs your imperfections. It makes your skin so flawless. It gives your face a fresh, natural glow and very natural look. I love this. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation. It's one of the most beautiful foundations out there, guys. Seriously. It makes your face super dewy and glowy. If you want to have that J-Lo glow, if you want to look like J-Lo, you gotta use this. It's light, buildable coverage and gives you a radiant finish. It's stunning and it's buildable. It gives your face a beautiful glow. It's amazing, guys. Just like the primer, I wouldn't recommend this for oily skin. This works greatly for natural to dry skin. It's light buildable coverage, so you can slowly build the coverage. The thing is, I don't really like the packaging, so you really have to like this. It doesn't come with the pump, guys, so the packaging is a little bit disappointing, but overall, I'm so into the product. The product's amazing, and it makes your face really dewy and glowy. You have the J-Lo glow. If you want to look like J-Lo, you gotta use this. It makes your face really beautiful and glowy. This goes well with the primer. This too, the pair. I really love this combo. So whenever I want to go for a dewy, glowy look, dewy, glowy J-Lo look, I always go for this pair. Amazing. Next, I'll be talking about my Hourglass Real Translucent Powder. It's one of the best powders out there, guys. Seriously, it gives you an airbrush finish, which I love. It doesn't magnify your skin, so it blurs your imperfections. It gives you natural, glowy finish. Hourglass is one of the best brands out there, guys. It's high-end. They have amazing products. They have amazing quality. It's totally one of my best powders. Like, my holy grail. Seriously. See? Just a powder brush and just tap it on your face. It's amazing, guys. Seriously. Next, I'll be talking about my Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer in Sweet Tea. I haven't been able to stop using this month. It's a baked bronzer for a luminous glow. So it's actually shimmery bronzer. So it does bronze up your face. It warms up your face and it gives you some shimmer. if you know what I'm saying. And I really like the shape, guys. You see? It's cute. It's heart-shaped. Gives your face the most luminescent glow. Actually, it's kind of similar to the Hourglass bronzer. It lasts forever. It blends out so easily. I love this. Next, I'll be talking about my GlamGlow Glowsetter. It's a makeup setting spray. You just spray it on your face. It's very hydrating. It energizes your skin. It makes your face really glowy. It gives your face that radiance and sexy Hollywood glow. It even smells like vanilla. It helps improve makeup staying power. So when you spray it, you don't have big liquid droplets on your face. I love it! Next, I'll be talking about my Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. This is my favorite shade. It's actually peachy, orangey kind of shade. It's really warm and it gives your face that warm tone. It gives your face that natural glow. It blends really easily. It gives your skin that satin finish. It's really buildable. It gives your skin a beautiful glow. I'm in love with this. Next, I'll be talking about my favorite holy grail, the legendary Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really can't live without this, guys. Seriously, it's the best concealer out there. It's high coverage. It's amazing. It's the best. It nourishes the under eye area. It's easy to blend. It's high coverage. It's vegan. It's full coverage formula. Gives the skin a firmer, lifted look. It blurs imperfections, fine lines, and wrinkles. It lightens your under eye too. It feels silky smooth. I love this. I can't live without this, guys. Seriously. Holy grail. Hands down, the best concealer ever. Ooh. Next, I'll be talking about my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. It's perfect to prime your eyelashes before going in with mascara and curling your eyelashes. It's really hydrating. It builds dramatic volume and length on each of your lash. It nourishes your lashes. It helps amplify any lash look with mascaras. Gives instantly thicker, longer lashes. Basically, it's a lash conditioner and mascara amplifier. Hands down, the best. Next, I'll be talking about the Colourpop All I See Is Magic eyeshadow palette. I'm really obsessed with this palette. Amazing colors, and then they have mattes, satin, and shimmer. I'm so in love with them, guys. Like, I can't stop using them. I'm so obsessed. They have mattes, satin, and shimmers. This is amazing. And the other one that I love is the Colourpop Yes Please palette. Mine's a little bit dirty, guys. Sorry about that. So this one has warm tone look. They have matte, satin, and shimmers. They're amazing, guys. They're warm tone and it's really perfect, really. I mean, I really can't stop using both of them in this month. Next, I'm gonna be talking about my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's one of the best mascaras out there, guys. It gives your eyelashes a very dramatic look. It gives your eyelashes the sexiest, defined, sexy look. It has a shape of hourglass too, you see? The bristles, they're hourglass. See? Which gives your eyelashes curled, dramatic, longer, sexy look. It's smudge proof and adds that extra glam. It's amazing, guys. I really can't get enough of this Revlon nail polish in the shade of Rose Zing. The first time I saw this, it kind of reminded me of NARS Orgasm. The goldish, shimmery pink. A little bit more rosy, if you know what I'm saying. This one is a little bit rosy compared to that NARS Orgasm. So the first time I saw this, it reminded me of the NARS Orgasm. You know, the goldish, shimmery pink. It reminds me of NARS Orgasm, but it's different. So this one is a little bit more rosier. So yeah, I'm using both of the Becca primer and foundation, both on my face. The Becca primer and foundation. See how it makes your face really dewy and glowy? And I have the Colorpop All I See Is Magic all over my eyes. I'm also using the bronzer, the Sweet Tea bronzer. And the Toasted Cinnamon blush, the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Let me know which product is your favorite. Let me know which product you like to put on your face. Let me know if any of the products that I mentioned is one of your favorites as well. Works really well for your face. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. So let me know what products you've been liking, what products you've been loving in this month of May in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!